Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to import an HTML email template to Brevo. So we're going to dive into it now. It's going to be simple and straightforward. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to go to the Brevo website, which is brevo.com, and sign in into your account using your account credentials. So on the left menu, click campaign. Then from there, you have to click create an email campaign. Add your campaign name, your subject line, and send out information. Then click next step. When asked how to design your email, select paste your code or import HTML file. Then you can either upload the HTML file from your computer or paste the HTML code directly into the editor's box. And also make sure all image, button, and link work properly. So if your image are hosted online, confirm the load in the preview and click preview to see how your email looks on both desktop and mobile. So send a text message to your own email address to confirm everything looks perfect. So once you're happy, click save and continue and either send or schedule your campaign. And that's how you can easily import an HTML email template to Brevo. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.